Parang may himatay ka. Uy, hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa niya. Ang tagal-tagal yun nandito na araw-araw kayo pinapanood ng mga tao. Sabi ko yung buhay ko, gano'n. Yung parang akala ko simula nung pinanganak ako, yung nanonood na yung mga tao sa akin. Pero ito seryosong literal. Growing up, I was born and then they put me in a magazine because he's an actor and my mom's an actress. So they met making movies. More than 10 years kaming hindi nakita. 13 years.
Ano siya, 10 years old nung nagpunta ako ng Amerika. Tapos nung tinawagan niya ako 2005, ano na siya, 20 na siya noon. Tapos gusto na niya ako makita. So meron na siyang ano noon, meron na siyang sarili niyang kilos. Let me share with you something that might help. Sometimes when you're growing up and you don't grow up with your dad or mom, you think na they don't love you, right? But I want to share this with you because not everybody knows that every parent can never hate their children, even if they're separated by time. Like there are reasons why they divorced, but you don't know why until you grow up, until you have your own relationship. And then one day you'll find out na the reason why they separated maybe multi-reasons. But he will never forget you. There were times na he looks for you and he wants to see you, but he can't because he has no address, he doesn't know where you are. Yung tatay ninyo will always love you, no matter what. Kung walang communication, hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi ka nila mahal.
Alam mo, maswerte kayo.
Oo, maswerte kayo.
Pero everything talaga, meron kasing pagmamahal ang tatay na hindi nabibigay ng ibang tao. And tonight is the first time we're gonna celebrate Father's Day together in my whole life. It's a new parang relationship na ngayon, these days, kapag gusto niya akong indisiplina, he has the right to, you know, like, nag-usap na kami. And for the longest time, 13 years, he would send cards to himself kasi hindi niya alam kung saan ipapadala sa akin. So, nagsusulat siya ng cards and then ipapadala niya rin sa sarili niya kasi one day, alam niya magkikita kami and ibibigay niya yung cards niya.
Ano yung pinaka-ayaw niyo or pinaka-takutan niyo na mangyari sa anak niyo?
Oo, naku, na magkaroon siya ng boyfriend na hindi siya mamahalin. She will have to, I wish that she has a boyfriend or gets married one day to a guy who will love her more than she loves the guy.
When it comes to love life, di ba, as a father, like, gano'n po kayo ka-strict sa mga boys? Kasi father ko, like, strict siya.
Strict siya?
So, kayo, gano'n po?
Pero hindi ako strict. I'm not strict if she's having if she wants to have a relationship with somebody. I always say, just make sure that that's what your heart feels.
No.
But it's nice to use the combination. Well, one last question.
Since you're a singer, do you ever thought of composing songs about your relationship with your father?
I started, I have an album, well, it's called Casey. It's my second album. It's out under Soy Music. And I wrote 3 songs in it. One of them is called Worth the Wait. That was a combination of 3 different poems. And one was about Papa.
Can you sing that for us tonight? Yeah.
Where do you want to fly off to? Be with you running. What do you want to say? Should we go on this way? Hiding and hiding and hiding. Well, when you look at you, I know that it's worth the wait.
Here I am.
Sa pagtungin to housemates, pinagbubugbog ko, kailangan niya na magpaalam sa inyong mga bisita.
All of you. Good luck, to everybody.
Sigurado ako na may mga napulot na aral ang aking mga housemates. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo dalawa.
Maraming salamat din.
Matapos makilala ang isang ama, paano naman natin makikilala ang teen housemates bilang mga anak ng kanilang mga ama?
My dad, my dad and my dog. Kasi ito po, yung parang favorite sport ng dad ko is golf. And nung bata pa ako, dinala niya ako sa parang like orchard and yung mga golf places. Dad, happy Father's Day. I'm so sorry for not being a good daughter. You know I love you so much, but it's just that we don't get to have much bonding time together. I feel like I'm so away from you. I barely get to see you, and I really want to know if you really do mean it when you say that you love me, because honestly I feel more loved when I'm with my mom. But Dad, please, I hope that you know that I really do love and miss you so much. Please understand, Dad, I am really sorry because sometimes I sound unhappy when we talk. Maybe it's just because I'm hurt that I don't feel like I have a dad, but I do. So Dad, I hope we can bond more. I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
Sisiguraduhin ko, na makakarating yan sa iyong ama.
Salamat po. Sorry, Kuya.
Sigurado rin ako na miss na niya ang anak niya.
When I was younger, I was so... Sorry, Kuya. I don't get to spend Father's Day with him much. Kaya yun po. Pero yun, alam ko po na parang ayaw nila makapagtapat with my mom much. Parang nag-uusap lang sila barely, minsan lang dahil lang sa akin. Parang about what school I'm going to, about my future, or about money. Yun lang po. Pero hindi sila nag-uusap. Kaya parang I don't get to spend Father's Day with my dad. Tapos minsan, feeling ko I don't feel love. Gano'n. Pero minsan sinasabi niya na mahal talaga niya ako. Kaya nafe-feel ko yun. Pero yun lang po, kulang sa bonding.
My Mr. Sexy Bang, my dad is Bang, same name. It's just nothing.
Why Mr. Sexy?
Because he thought he's sexy. But drawing Crazy Taxi, when I enjoy with my father, most of the time we are staying in my father's taxi. We usually text inside the taxi when we go somewhere or whatever. When we talk seriously or when we talk about, we stay in the taxi. So we stay in his taxi and talk. We go somewhere and go to a nice place. Eat street food, very nice. To my dad, my Mr. Sexy Bang. Hi Dad, today is Father's Day, and you are my father. I'm really happy to be your son. Dad, can you imagine? I'm already 19 years old. How come time is so fast? When my age was 1 to 13 years old, and even if we were very poor, that time was most happiest time in my life. You know what? Because we lived together, you and my mom and me. Even our house was very small. I was so happy to stay and live in the earth. Honestly, when I was young, if the other people asked me about what's your father's job, I couldn't tell them the truth about your driving taxi. I was a little shy. But now, I'm really proud of you are driving taxi for the other people. Dad, if I become rich, I'll buy for you BMW taxi.